Over the past 11 years, India has experienced significant transformation. From bustling metropolitan cities to the emerging urban centers, the country's infrastructure and connectivity has expanded multifold sectors such as civil aviation, railways, highways, ports, power, and more. By establishing a strong foundation for a future-ready India and immense economic potential, Assam is not only a place of mysticism and tradition, but also a vibrant hub of innovation, enterprise, and sustainable development. Nestled in the heart of Northeast India, Assam stands as a gate to ASEAN and Southeast Asia, offering boundless opportunities for global investors. With robust transportation networks, including rail, waterways, and state-of-the-art bridges, Assam ensures seamless access to global markets. Inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat and the Honorable Chief Minister's guide over the past few years, Assam has experienced unparalleled growth. The state's infrastructure is a true testament to progress, with roads and bridges connecting every corner, advanced transport systems, educational institutions and skill development centers are empowering the people, paving the way for a brighter future. With medical advancements like cancer care hospitals developed in partnership with Tata Trusts and a network of medical colleges, Assam is setting benchmarks in healthcare and innovation. The state has been a pioneer in producing natural gas and petroleum in the country. The first biorefinery producing fuel-grade ethanol from bamboo has also been established in Numaligarh, paving the way for a dynamic and sustainable future. The state is celebrating 200 years of its rich tea legacy. It continues to seek advancements in other emerging sectors like fragrances and flavors, aerospace and defense, electronics and semiconductors, hydrocarbons and renewable energy, exquisite handicrafts, and 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Tourism in Assam is a celebration of heritage, culture, beauty, and unity. This cultural legacy, combined with a growing pool of skilled manpower, is shaping a future where the state is poised to lead in all fields ranging from technology to sustainability. A stable government is the backbone of economic prosperity, from ease of doing business to simplified approvals and seamless land allocation. Assam provides an investor-friendly ecosystem that ensures a smooth and transparent path for growth. With its sights set on the future, Assam is creating opportunities for the world to come and explore its vast potential. This is a state ready to leap into a new era of global partnerships and sustainable growth.